What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Austin. We're back at it again with another banger episode where we take a business style machine and we transform it into a medium low gaming PC that I actually didn't even keep for more than 30 minutes. And we turned it into a PS5. So in today's video, we're going to walk through the process of how we went from an old business style machine and we completely upgraded, transformed it into a beautiful gaming PC for someone looking for, an early or an entry level budget PC build for gaming, schoolwork, things like that. And how, we met up with a guy and we ended up trading it for a PS5 the same day. Not even 30 minutes after I built it. He actually messaged me he messaged me right at the time of me building it, asking me if I had anything I would trade. Yeah, so story time. This has been a very eventful week. We went from 13 PCs in our last video and we are down to just 2. We even sold our personal build. As you can see behind me, we have another build, and then we also picked up a whole lot of different parts from a fellow PC flipper locally. He was looking to buy a house and wanted to unload a bunch of stuff. So that's gonna be the next video. We just kind of go through, we'll show you everything that we got. We got everything from SSDs, hard drives, to graphics cards. One was a fully built PC, fans, motherboards. So yeah, I'm excited to share that with you. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, and that concludes the video. If you thought that was pretty cool how we took an old style business XPS machine and we transformed it into a gaming PC / into a PS5, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for be notified anytime we do uploads. And if you have anything that you would like to see in future videos or anything I can improve in, drop it down below in the comments. I'm always open to constructive criticism. I don't mind it. It actually helps me grow as a content creator. And like I said, I do this for a hobby. So any type of advice, anything that you want to see, I'm more than welcome or happy to hear it. So we'll catch y'all next time.